In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix ChatGPT's slow responses in just 5 minutes. If you've ever found yourself waiting impatiently for a response while using ChatGPT, you're not alone. Many users experience lag from time to time. But the good news is there are some simple steps you can take to improve response times. Let's dive right in. First and foremost, let's address the backbone of any online activity, your internet connection. Make sure your internet is stable and fast. A weak or inconsistent connection can significantly slow down the performance of any web application, including ChatGPT. Run a quick internet speed test using one of the many online tools available. You want to ensure you're getting the speed your internet service provider promises. If you find your connection is slow, try resetting your router or contacting your service provider for assistance. Next, let's turn our attention to your web browser. Start by clicking on the three-dot menu icon at the top right-hand corner of your browser window. This opens up a menu where you're going to want to look for and select Settings. Now scroll down until you find the option labeled Privacy and Security. Within this section, there's an option to clear browsing data. Click on it. Cleaning out your cache and cookies can often resolve slowness issues, as browsing data can sometimes bog down your browser, affecting performance. After clearing your browsing data, go ahead and reload the ChatGPT page. This refresh helps reinitialize the session and often clears out minor hiccups that could be causing delays in response time. If you're still experiencing lag, a good next step is to try using a different web browser. Sometimes the issue could be browser-specific, perhaps due to a rare bug or compatibility issue. If you're using Chrome, try switching to Firefox or Edge. This might give you a smoother experience. Another troubleshooting tip is to check whether any browser extensions you have running might be interfering with ChatGPT. Extensions can sometimes conflict with websites. To see if this might be the case, try disabling them temporarily. You can do this by going to the Extensions section in your browser settings. Simply toggle them off, reload ChatGPT, and check if there's any improvement in speed. Finally, if none of these steps have improved the performance, log out from your ChatGPT account and then log back in. This might sound simple, but sometimes refreshing your login session can resolve any lingering technical issues you might be facing. By following these simple steps, you should be able to improve the response time of ChatGPT significantly. Feel free to leave any questions or additional tips you might have in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in and happy chatting.